Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed problem on Android. First, you'll need to go into your Play Store. Once in Play Store, you're going to search for Instagram and you want to check if the app needs updating. As you can see right here, at the moment the app needs updating. So I will simply tap on update. Once you have updated the app and it's finished updating, you can log into the app and you'll check if the problem is solved. If the problem isn't solved, I'll be showing you what next to do. If you have updated the app and you still cannot refresh your Instagram feed, what I would recommend you do is go into settings. And from here, you're going to scroll down and select apps. And once in apps, you're going to search for Instagram. Then you're going to scroll down a bit and you're going to tap on storage. And you're going to tap on clear cache in the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll tap on clear data. After you have done that, you want to tap on permissions and you want to ensure that Instagram has access to camera. So you want to ensure that it is an allow only while using app. And you also want to ensure that it has access to your microphone. So you'll go straight down the line and ensure that the app has access to all of that. Then you will restart your device and try again. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.